Hello. Welcome guys. This video demonstrates how an intelligent customer help desk with smart document understanding works. This is basically an intelligent chatbot which can handle many more complex questions when compared with any ordinary chatbot. Are you excited? Let's get started. IBM Cloud is the one and only requirement for this to be accomplished. So, sign up if you don't have an account and sign in if you have one. Once you log into IBM Cloud, your home page must look like this. It displays your dashboard. Click on Services and initially we need to create IBM services like Discovery, Assistant, Cloud Functions and Node-RED application. And here you need to click on Discovery Instance. Under the Manage tab, find out for Launch What's in Discovery. This is what we need. But before clicking on that, note down the credentials URL and API key of your instance under the Service Credentials tab. Once you click on Launch What's in Discovery, this will direct to a new page. We need to upload our own data and name the collection before working and training it. Manual org is one such I had created. Click Configure Data and under Identify Fields tab, we can train the data by sorting the text into different categories displayed in palette. Click the type of category, and choose the corresponding text and click Submit Page. Do this for few pages. Later Discovery trains itself by sorting text into suitable categories and click Apply Changes to Collection and upload the file. Now, under Manage Fields tab, select or toggle the required text fields and omit the unwanted fields and split the document based on any particular field and click Apply Changes to Collection. Now under the API section, note down Collection ID and Environment ID. Now click on Assistant Instance under Services section and note down Credentials URL, API under Service Credentials tab and click on Launch What's in Assistant. What's in Assistant is the place where building and training of chatbot takes place. It means we include all the intents and entities that need to be triggered as soon as an intent is recognized by the bot. It responds with the corresponding dialogue and starts building conversation by replying with the suitable dialogue based upon the recognized intent. Under Skills section, create a new skill and name the skill. We can find the API details by clicking on the View API Details and after clicking Create Skill it creates a skill and creates a workspace for it. Instance represents the main purpose or goal of users' queries. So we need to create different instances for answering different range of questions. So, under the Intent tag, click Create Instance and name your instance and give a succinct description about the intent. It's optional. Now provide the instance with multiple user examples. That is, the questions that user asks which fall under this particular instance category. Do the same for different instances and entities. Now click on Dialog tab. Click Add Node and name the dialog box like this and choose a corresponding intent and give the dialog that chatbot has delivered when it recognizes this intent. Similarly, create such nodes for every intent created. Now we integrate the Assistant and Discovery using IBM Cloud Functions. Find it by searching in the search bar and click it. Now click Start Creating an Action and name it. This is how it looks once we create an action and click it. Write the code in Code section and give parameters like URL, API, Collection ID and Environment ID of Discovery in Parameters section. And later click on Endpoints section and tick the Enable as Web Action to create the webhook. Assistant calls Discovery through Cloud Functions using webhook. Copy the URL and now open Assistant and click Options and paste the URL in the field and in the Dialog tab. Click on the intent meant for triggering Discovery service and then click on Customize and switch on the webhook and it provides a confirmation with green tick that it is configured. Click Apply. Now give the key, pair values and return variable and choose what Assistant has to respond with when it recognizes this intent. The final thing we need to do is that create a user interface for users to interact and ask their queries. So click on Cloud Foundry Apps and click the Node-RED instance and in this page click on Visit App URL and click on Go to your Node-RED Flow Editor. Now this is the flow we need to create. For that, in the search box, search for Form Node, Function Node, Assistant Node, Debug Node and Text Node and drag them on the flow editor. Make connections by clicking on dots. Click on Form Node and enter group name and form elements name which displays on the UI and click Done. Now, click on Functions node and write the code for both the functions nodes which are before and after the assistant nodes and click Done, and then open assistant node and provide a PI, URL and workspace ID and click Done. Now in text node at output, give the group name and what it displays for the fetched result and click Done. Finally, click on Deploy button and it gives a successfully deployed message. Copy the URL of this page till .NET and paste in New tab followed by UI and click Enter. And this is how the final page looks like. This is place where users can interact with the chatbot and get their doubts clarified. Here are a few examples what it can deliver.